Hello, children. Hope you all are safe and good. Let's start our online class with a small prayer. Close your eyes. Dear God, I bring the lives of my children before your presence. They are precious and valuable. I ask you to bless them, keep them in good health and love. Amen. Okay, children. Today's class we shall continue with Unit 5 Interconcepts. Okay. So, last class we studied about how to calculate the distance and how to calculate the time. Okay, so calculate the distance, you have to multiply speed into time. To calculate the distance, you have to divide distance divided by speed. Okay, these are the two formulas we studied the last class. Okay, today we shall continue with this chapter. We are going to deal with fractions now. Deal with fractions. Okay, so we studied about that is length. Okay, length, all the measurements we studied. Okay, so you already know about this, I think. Okay, yes. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Half kilometer is equal to 500 meter. Half kilometer is equal to 500 meter. 3 by 4 kilometer is equal to 750 meter. 3 by 4 kilometer is equal to 750 meter, and 1 by 4 kilometer is equal to 250 meter. So now we are going to convert length in fractions. We are going to write the length in terms of fraction. Okay, so see this, 2 kilometer 500 meter. Okay, 2 kilometer 500 meter. This we are going to write in terms of fraction. What we are going to do? We are going to write this length in terms of fraction. Okay, so this 2 is in kilometer, so I am writing this 2 as such. Okay, this 500 I am taking 500. So 500 means it is half kilometer in fraction. So 500 meter is half kilometer in terms of fraction. So instead of 500 I am writing half. Okay, kilometer. So I have written this length in terms of fraction, 2.5 kilometer. 2 kilometer 500 meter is 2.5 kilometer. Similarly, 1 kilometer 250 meter. I will write this 1 kilometer instead of 250. 250 is 1 by 4 kilometer. 1 by 4 kilometer. Okay, and 7 kilometer 750 meter. Okay, the 7 I am writing instead of the 750. 750 is 3 by 4 kilometer. So 3 by 4 kilometer. Okay, yes. Similarly, 8 kilometer 500 meter. So how will I write? 8 kilometer instead of 500. 500 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So 8.5 kilometer. This is how you will write length in terms of fraction. Length in terms of fraction we are writing. Okay, simple only. 500 means half. 750 means 3 by 4 and 250 means 1 by 4. In terms of fraction we are going to write. Okay, simple. Okay, next is time in fraction. Time we are going to write in terms of fraction. So we all know 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Then 15 minutes is equal to 1 by 4 hour. 30 minutes is 1 by 2 hours and 45 minutes is 3 by 4 hours. Okay, so now we are going to write in terms of fraction. Okay, so first one, see, convert into minutes. Convert into minutes. So okay, so I have got on some. So we all know 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So the question is 2 hours. 2 hours. Okay, this I am going to convert in terms of into minutes. I'm going to convert this hours into minutes. Okay, so you all know 1 hour is 60 minutes. Then 2 hours is 2 into 60. 2 into 60 is 2 zeros are 0, 2 6 are 12, 120 minutes. Okay, hours I'm converting to minutes. Okay, one more sum will do. The same like what we did for measurement, converting meter into kilometer, like that we did, no, same like that we are going. Okay, so 3 hours 20 minutes. Okay, so this I am going to convert into minutes. Already this 20 is in minutes, only 3 we have to convert. So we know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Then 3 hours 20 minutes is equal to 3 into 60 plus this 20 minutes I am going to keep as such. Okay, so 3 into 60 is 3 into 6, 3 zeros are 0, 3 6 are 18. Okay, 3 6 are 18 plus 20. So the answer is, it is 200 minutes. 200 minutes. 180 plus 20 is 200 minutes. So this is how you will convert. Similarly, we will do one more sum. 5 hours 15 minutes. Okay, 5 hours 15 minutes. So 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 5 hours is 5 into 60 plus this 15 minutes will come as such. Okay, so 5 into 60, 5 zeros are 0, 5 6 are 30 plus 15. So the answer is 315 minutes. This is how you will converting hours into minutes. Okay, now we shall convert into hours. So they are given the minutes, we are going to convert into hours. So here hour is greater than minutes. Hour is greater than minutes. So we multiplied by 60. Upper to lower multiplied by 60. Here we are going to convert minutes to hours. Minutes is small, hours is large. So small to big we will divide by 60. Okay, so first sum is 42 minutes. We are going to convert it into hours. So 42 minutes into hours means 160 minutes equal to 1 hour. Okay, then 42 minutes is 42 divided by 60. 42 divided by 60. Okay, this 2 will go in which table? Divide by 6, divide by 6. So 6 tables 42 how many times? 7 times. 6 tables 60, 10 times. So the answer is 7 by 10 hours. Okay, this is how we will convert. So one more sum we will do. 55 minutes. Okay, we are going to convert into hours. Okay, converting to minutes to hours, we have to divide by 60. Okay, so 60 minutes is 1 hour. So 55 minutes equal to 55 divided by 60. Okay, these 2 will go in which tables? 55 will also go in 5 tables. 60 also will go in 5 tables. So divide by 5, divide by 5. Okay, 5 tables 55 how many times? 11 times. 5 tables 60 how many times? 12 times. So the answer is 11 by 12 hours. Okay, this is how you will convert. Okay, I think you all clear with this. Okay, so hours to minutes multiply by 60. Minutes to hour divide by 60. Okay, next is money. Okay, money in fraction. So you all know 1 rupee is 100 paise. 1 rupee is 100 paise. So in 1 rupee, 1 by 4th quarter part is 25 paise. Half part is 50 paise and 3 by 4th part is 75 paise. This we already know. With this we are going to convert. Okay. So I will take rupees 100. Rupees 100. I am taking rupees 100. In that I want to find 1 by 4 part. Okay, then 1 by 2 part. After that 3 by 4 part. And this 3 I want to find. In 100 rupees I want to find 1 by 4 part, 1 by 2 part and 3 by 4th part. Okay, so how shall we do now? Okay, so in 1 by 4 part of 100, 1 by 4 part of 100, that is what I will do? 1 by 4 into 100, 1 by 4 into 100. Okay, so here 1 into 100 is 100 by 4, 100 by 4. So 4 tables 100 will come, divide and see, 4 tables 100 will come. What will come? 4 tables 100 will come. Okay, 10, how many times? 2 times 8, remainder is 2, 0 and 5 times it is 20. Okay, so 25 is the answer. So 1 by 4 part of 100 is 25 rupees. Okay, and 1 by 2 part means 1 by 2 into 100, 1 by 2 into 100. So 1 into 100, 100 by 2. So 2 tables 100 is 50. So 50 rupees. So half part of 100 is 50 rupees. And 3 by 4th, 3 by 4 into 100 is 3 into 100, 300. 300 divided by 4. Okay, so 4 tables 300 will come. Yes, 300 divided by 4. So 30 will come. How many times? 7 times it is 28. Remainder is 2, 0. Then 5 times 20. So the answer is 75. It is 75 rupees. So in 100 rupees, 1 by 4th part is 25 rupees. 1 by 2 part is 50 rupees. 3 by 4 part is 75 rupees. Okay. Next one more sum will do. We shall take rupees 2000. Rupees 2000. Okay. We shall find 1 by 4 part, 1 by 2 part and 3 by 4 part. Okay. So 1 by 4 part of 2000. So 1 by 4 into 2000. Okay. So we shall divide now. So 4 tables 2000. 2000 by 4. Okay. So 5 times 20, 0. Remaining 2 zeros are there. This 2 0 will go up as such. So the answer is rupees 500. Okay. And 1 by 2 into 2000 is 2000 divided by 2. Okay. 10 times 20, 0. This 2 0 will go up. That is 1 by 2 part is 1000 rupees. Okay. Then 3 by 4. 3 by 4 into 2000. Okay. So in 3 into 2000. Okay. 3 2s are 6. Remaining 30 divided by 4. So 6000 divided by 4 is, okay, so 60 is coming. Okay, 60 is coming. So 4 tables 60 how many times? It is 15 times. It is 15 times. 15 is 60. 0. Remaining 2 0 is going up. So the answer is rupees 1500. rupees 1500. This is how you will calculate the amount. Okay, so this is the all about this conversions, converting the amount in terms of fraction. Okay, so we shall see some exercise in the book, page number 42, exercise 5.4. Here 3 kilometer 500 meter is there. 3 kilometer 500 meter is there. So how will you do? It is 3 kilometer. This 500 means 1 by 2 kilometer. Okay. Then 25 kilometer to 50 meter means 25 to 50 means 1 by 4 kilometer. Then 17 kilometer 750 meter means 17 3 by 4 kilometer. Then 35 kilometer to 50 means it is 1 by 4 kilometer. After that 45 kilometer 750 meter means 45 3 by 4 kilometer. Okay, this is how we will convert. Simple conversion only. Okay, this is converting into hours. Try it and see. Convert into hours. So minutes into hours. So smaller unit to larger unit means divide by 60. So 10 divided by 60 is 0 cancel. The answer is 1 by 6 hours. Okay, in 25 minutes means 25 divided by 60. Like that you divide and do the sums. Okay children. Next is convert into minutes. Minutes to, you are going to convert hours into minutes, large to small. So into 60. So 5 by 6 into 60. This is how you will do. Okay. You multiply and put the answer. This is match the following. 1 by 2 part of rupees 1. 1 by 2 part of rupees 1 is what? 50 pice. 1 by 2 part of rupees 1 is 50 pice. 1 by 4 part of 4 rupees. 1 by 4 part of 4 rupees is what? 1 rupee. Okay. And 1 by 2 part of 10 is rupees 5. 3 by 4 part of rupees 100 is 75 rupees. And 1 by 2 part of rupees 200 is 100 rupees. Okay. And this is finding the part, how many part it is. Okay. Yes, with this chapter is over. You have to remember three things is the formula and the conversion, and the formulas and the conversion. Okay, so these conversions you have to remember, and the formula to find the time and distance you have to remember. Okay children, now you do and see all the book exercise. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay children, take care. Thank you. Bye.